Imagine this. Every renovation, every repair, every contractor's invoice becomes real wealth. This is the WealthTradie app, now available on the Apple app and Google Play stores, here to revolutionize real estate. But here's the problem. The game we're all playing, it's broken. And no matter if you're a homeowner, a contractor, or an investor, everyone's losing in a different way. If you're a homeowner, you save up to remodel, but costs drain your bank account. The quality is hit or miss. And when you finally sell, your hard work doesn't even show up in your equity. If you're a contractor, you hustle, you deliver, then you wait to get paid. Margins shrink, and the investor walks away with all the upside. If you're an investor, every project feels like a gamble. One bad bid, one delay, one sloppy job, and your profits vanish. That's why we built WealthTradie with the Home Equity Invoice Agreement. Instead of paying everything upfront in cash, the Home Equity Invoice Agreement converts the cash invoice into a piece of the property's equity, which is paid out in cash later when the home sells or the homeowner pays off the equity's full value. Secured payment options fully in the homeowner and contractor's hands. For homeowners, no crushing loans. For contractors, real ownership. For investors, aligned incentives, higher quality, safer returns. Inside the app, you'll find HEIA setup and downloads, equity calculators, proprietary contracts, and wealth-building tools. This isn't just about fixing houses. It's about rebuilding trust and turning hard work into lasting wealth. Download the WealthTradie app today. Available now on Apple and Google stores. WealthTradie, where what you build becomes what you own.